we chose the My Way kits was largely because of the customization options. So our classrooms vary from, having mostly elementary age students to high school students. And we were able to really kind of customize our kits based on the needs of the age group or the ability group for each classroom. So that was really, I think, the biggest selling point for us, was that we could just really customize each kit.
Our teachers have kind of taken the kits and have run with them, so to speak. We received pictures the day after we had our training day of them being used by students in the classrooms in a number of different ways. We have students using them to answer questions, make choices. We have students with very complex bodies who are using the candy corn proximity switches to engage in lessons that they weren't previously engaging in. They're really just kind of finding all kinds of ways to incorporate them in all kinds of things, both socially and academically. So if a district's looking to purchase the My Way kit and invest in such a program, the increase in engagement and student motivation and student socialization has been huge in a very short amount of time for our students. So if you have students, especially those with communication needs or just complex cognitive needs, these kits can really meet needs of students who maybe historically have had difficulty interacting and engaging in the classroom. So they are a true benefit. Our teachers were really excited to receive things that they found extremely easy to implement. Sometimes it can be a little scary to implement new assistive technology, and the items that came in the kits were easy to understand, easy to implement. The students are excited about them, so it's just a win-win all the way around.